What is going on, everybody? Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. And today I'm going to be showing you a project I actually did a YouTube short about. I think I actually did it yesterday or a few days ago. So let's get started. But before I do, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. And comment down below what videos you want me to do next, because I don't know really what to review. Probably something under $50, or show you some more of my projects or something. Just comment down below. If you guys don't really comment, I'll just kind of figure out an idea. In another YouTube short, I said I wasn't going to be doing my Google Pixel 4a 5G review in a while, but actually, yeah, I'm still not doing it for a while, but I actually have been recording on this if you've noticed any camera quality change or anything. So this is my inner cam I used to record with on my Google Pixel 4a 5G at 1080p 30 FPS, but it looks great. It looks actually like 2K or something. It might be 2K or it might be like 1080p, but not fully 2K. But anyway, so today I'm going to be showing you a project. It's a 12-volt adjustable power supply, and you can get these off of Amazon for really, really cheap. Well, actually, no. You can get them for like $30. They're like these things with dials, and they have like a little screen. But I built one DIY, $15, the whole project. I'm going to show you it in this video. Alright, so this is the project itself. This is kind of like a tech review, even though it's not. So anyway, so if you look at this, I actually put this speed controller thing, which is actually in here, and I actually taped it in there for now. Maybe like screw it or glue it. That rhymed. So it got this power cord, which is actually the output. Alligator clips are gonna go here eventually. It's not fully done yet. It looks pretty done. It basically just needs alligator clips and maybe a few other touches. And I am actually going to show you the internals in this thing. This thing's actually very simple. I'm not going to open this up because I've opened this up at least 4 times. And I have a nail here. These are actually... Do you know the company SN.ICLO? It's like a RC company / FPV. Because Diatone and this company made a mini FPV car, which I actually owned, and I did a YouTube video about it. These were the ramps. I didn't know these were ramps at first. They were in the bottom of the box, and I totally didn't know. I thought they were just holding them in there, but these are actually ramps, if you can see. So these are like grip and stuff. This encompasses SN.ICLO. I don't know how to pronounce that. On the back, I actually drew a little Minecraft kind of smiley face guy, kind of cool. I'm not a good drawer, really. I actually kind of am. I have a really cool art picture in my room, which I might actually show you at the end of this video. So, this is the date I made it. I like putting dates on things I made because these are kind of memories for me when I grow up. So, made 8/4/2023, which is actually today. And on the side, cut the little side off right here so the wire can pass through. The main component is in here, and the controls are in here. So there used to be a switch right there, but I got rid of it and just tied the wires because I didn't want to have to put a switch there. Eventually I might, because I can just unscrew this. What's cool is I put screws in here for a reason, so I can get into the top and add whatever the heck I want. And same for this thing. This thing doesn't use screws, but you just pop this open. So I'm going to show you what's inside of here. So if you open this little thing here, this is actually where it all begins. So let's open it up. And there it is. So this thing, let me zoom in. This thing right here I got off of Amazon. It's one of the best selling DC power controllers for under like $20. And man, is it cool. It can do up to 72 volts input. 7 to 72 volts input, and so let me show you something. These are the wires that go to the output. These wires here go to the output. See that? These wires come up into here and then end out here. So basically, this goes up to here, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's basically just goes up to there. And then there's a switch hole, so I can do like a switch. And then this is the dial. I put the dial, see the wires right there? The dial goes up there and into this box. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. It took me only 3 days to build. I got these screw things sticking out because I put these feet on here, which actually look pretty cool. And it actually looks pretty fancy. I mean, I'm not a great builder, but man, I saved myself a lot of money. I saved myself like 15 extra dollars. I would have bought one. It would have held up to 24 volts. But I can put 72 volts in this thing, and it's just 72 volts. That is crazy. So I actually kind of permanently did this, but I could just always cut the wire and resolder or something. So I took this 12-volt plug from an old CCTV camera, and this I heat shrinked these wires and connected it from this to this, and then I didn't solder it, I just tied them together, and then I used the heat shrinks and kind of used a lighter to heat it all up, and it actually looks kind of like clean and nice, and I took a lot of time on this. Now let's get into the testing. So I'm gonna test this thing now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug this thing in, and then I'm gonna put a motor at the end of this and show you the power of this thing at 12 volts. Eventually I'll upgrade this to a higher voltage, but for now I don't have any high voltage plugs, so this is only 12 volts. So I'll be doing 12 volts in this video. Alright, so it's plugged in. I've got the blue light turns on, which is kind of cool because it came from a CCTV camera. Plugs into here, and now it's on. It's active. So that means if I open this, there should be a red light, and the wires can be active, but they're off right now. Just turn it off. So let's see if there's a red light. Yep, see the red light? That means it's on and active. So the second you plug it in, it turns on, and then you're good to go. So now, I don't want to touch these together because I don't know if it's going to ruin the circuit, so I'm going to put a motor on this. This is the top of that little DC power controller in there. Alright, so now that the wires are hooked up, I am ready to turn this thing on. So, here we go. Let's flip it this way so you can see what I'm doing. Ready? Okay, that's slow. And I actually put little labels for different voltage. I didn't write down the voltage because I don't have a voltmeter right now, which I wish I had. So let me zoom in and show you the little numbers. I mean, you can adjust it in between the numbers, but I like putting numbers there just to show you. So look, watch, see? Listen. For this motor, it doesn't like 1 because this needs more voltage. So 1 is like maybe like 1 volt. 2, a little something. Okay, a little something, and then 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 7. But for some reason, it starts slowing down. Like the motor is it's getting pretty warm. It's only able to handle 9 volts. So I'm guessing that right there, the strongest point right there, that's probably 9 volts right there. But you can tell there's a lot of power in this. Check it out. Oh. You can tell a lot of voltage is going to that. Oh, it's getting pretty warm. Turn it down. Alright, so I have 2 more other motors, and I want to test all of them. So this is motor number 2, which is actually a little DC fan. Okay. It doesn't turn on until that, for some reason. Well, it's strong. It's blowing air this way because I put the voltage wrong, but if you do it the other way, so this is sucking now. Oh, that's weird. You see that? Camera's wobbling. Wonder why it's doing that. You see that? That was really weird. You probably couldn't see that, but in the corner of my screen, the video's wobbling. It's doing it right now, but you can't see it. It's weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe because when I'm recording something like this on this phone, it makes it look very low, very very low resolution. But the second it's done, it processes it and makes it 4K, which is insane. I have my phone on 4K 30 FPS right now, but I'm gonna turn it on 4K 60. This thing's got an insane 4K 60, but I can't use my wide angle lens. All right, so now. See how it's like really smooth now because I just put it on 60 FPS. So now I'm going to test my last motor, which is a little gear motor that was inside of 3D, well, actually not a 3D printer, a printer, like an HP printer. Alright, so I don't have it up, I don't even have it up at all, and it's already spinning, probably because this thing's really good at low voltage. But watch when I go up high. Try to get my thing focused. Here we go. Okay, it's full. It's not very fast because it's meant to be for like higher voltage, like maybe like 24 volts or something. I think so. It seems like a DC motor. Sorry, I just burped. It seems like a DC motor, but it is a DC motor, but it's not like this kind of DC motor. First of all, this thing's smaller, wider, doesn't have as big magnets. It just got a lot of torque though. It has a lot of force. Now let's turn the voltage down. And there you go. My sister just came in here and started annoying me for some reason. Alright, so actually I have 4 motors, and this is actually my 4th. So I'm going to be testing this one. I tested these 3 so far, and now I'm testing this last one. This is going to be a really strong one because this is a small motor on a 12-volt supply. It might ruin it. I hope it doesn't get hot. Hear it? Reducing then. I'm going to turn this off for a minute. I want to put pliers because I don't want it to get hot. I'm just going to go full voltage and just see what happens. So look. Alright. I hear it slowing down. I think it's very high frequency. Wow. That is loud. I don't want to ruin it. Wow, that hurt my ears. Alrighty, let's put this dingus to the side. And now we sadly end here at our conclusion. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. And I've got more videos coming soon. Hello guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. This is Guys Just Tech Reviews, and today I'm going to be showing you a project I've been working on. I actually did a YouTube short about it pretty recently, so let's get started.